Hello, friends. I am Satish Lele. I am a chemical engineer. I am working in field of piping for last 30 years. This video is part of my chemical process piping channel on YouTube. This video is about pipe supports. These should be as simple as conditions allow. Stock items are used wherever possible, especially for piping held from above. To support piping from below, supports are usually made to suit from plates, pipes, and pieces of structural steel. Following the hardware is used to create supports. Rest support. The weight of the piping is usually carried on supports made from structural steel, or steel and concrete. Saddle. It is a welded attachment for pipe requiring insulation, and subject to longitudinal or rolling movement resulting from temperature changes rather than climatic. Saddles may be used to guide. Pipe support brackets. This arrangement can carry a load of to 1,000 kilograms or 2,200 pounds. If the structure is made of concrete, the steel plate is embedded in it. You can support the pipe 1 meter away, and its size is up to 125 millimeter or 5 inch and feet from the structure, with 150 millimeter or 6 inch channel welded to the steel plate. If pipe size is more than that, 250 millimeter or 10 inch channel is welded to the steel plate. In case support such as U-bolt, U-clamp or shoe are there with this support, dimension may be changed as required, case by case. If the structure is made of steel structural, support is welded directly to it. You can support the pipe 1 meter away, and its size is up to 125 millimeter or 5 inch and feet from the structure, with 150 millimeter or 6 inch channel welded to the steel structure. If pipe size is more than that, 250 millimeter or 10 inch channel is welded to the steel structure. In case support such as U-bolt, U-clamp or shoe are there with this support, dimension may be changed as required, case by case. If the pipe is in vertical direction, it is supported by 100 by 100 by 8 millimeter or 4 inch by 4 inch by quarter inch angle. Angle is welded to steel structure. A support clamping, such as U-bolt, U-clamp or shoe are provided along the pipe. Pipe support brackets. These are made of 100x 8 millimeter or 4 inch by 4 inch by quarter inch angle. The type depends on the number and size of pipes to be supported. It is welded at the top to a steel structure. Pipe support brackets. These are made of 100x 8 millimeter or 4 inch by 4 inch by quarter inch angle. The type depends on the number and size of pipes to be supported. It is welded at the top to a steel structure. Pipe support bracket from pipe 3 inch through 24 inch. The shoe is provided for a hot pipe. It is also covered with insulation material. A hot pipe can run along with other pipes. This is a bracket on vertical column load support for bare pipe of 2 inch through 6 inch. This is a bracket on vertical column load support for multiple bare pipes of 1.5 inch and smaller. This is a bracket on vertical column load support for bare pipes of 8 inch through 12 inch. This is a bracket on vertical column for bare and insulated pipe of 1.5 inch and smaller. This is a bracket on vertical column guide support for bare pipe of 2 inch through 6 inch. This is a bracket on vertical column for horizontal bare pipe of 2 inch through 6 inch. Hanger support. It is is a device which suspends piping, which is usually a single line, from structural steel, concrete or wood. These are generally adjustable for height. A constant load hanger is a coil spring and lever mechanism for housing movement of piping within limits will not change spring force holding up piping. No additional force will be introduced to piping system. The variable spring hanger consists of coil spring in housing. Weight of piping rests on spring in compression. Spring permits limited amount of thermal movement. Variable spring hanger holding up vertical line will reduce its lifting force as line expands toward it. The variable spring support would increase its lifting force as line expands toward it. Both place load on piping system, and where this is undesirable, constant load hanger can be used instead. Pipe hanger support for bare/insulated pipe 1/2 inch through 24 inches. The pipe clamp is tied around the pipe. It is supported from a beam. The height from the beam is adjusted by a turnbuckle. Pipe hanger support for bare/insulated pipe 1/2 inch through 24 inches. This is same as bare pipe. Clamp is first put on pipe and the pipe is insulated later. In this case, the height cannot be adjusted, as turnbuckle is not provided. Pipe hanger support for bare/insulated pipe 1/2 inch through 24 inches. This is same as bare pipe. The piece is first welded on pipe and the pipe is insulated later. In this case, the height cannot be adjusted, as turnbuckle is not provided. Pipe hanger support for bare/insulated pipe 1/2 inch through 24 inches. This is same as bare pipe. The piece is first welded on elbows on a pipe and the pipe is insulated later. In this case, the height cannot be adjusted, as turnbuckle is not provided. Spring support for bare and insulated pipe of 2 inch through 24 inches. Here a spring box is provided on the top. It acts as a vertical jackhammer. Anchor support, the rigid support which prevents transmission of movement, thermal, vibratory, etc. along piping. Construction may be from steel plate, brackets, flanges, rods, etc. Attachments of anchors to pipe should preferably encircle the pipe and be welded all around, as this gives better distribution of stress in the pipe wall. Anchor for hot insulated lines is described later on with shoes. This is an anchor support for bare pipe of 2 inch through 24 inches for cross-site. Dummy leg support. In this, an extension piece of pipe or rolled steel section is welded to an elbow in order to support the line. This part rests or anchors on some steel member. Dummy pipe support for bare pipe of 2 inch through 24 inches. This is provided on elbow, with pipe going in upward direction. It is made of pipe of same material. Pipe is covered at the end with a cap. A hole is drilled in cap. It is supported on structure. Dummy pipe support for bare pipe of 2 inch through 24 inches. This is provided on elbow, with pipe going in downward direction. It is made of pipe of same material. Pipe is covered at the end with a cap. A hole is drilled in cap. It is supported on structure. Dummy pipe support for insulated pipe of 2 inch through 24 inches. This is for insulated pipe. The shoe of same size is provided on dummy leg. Thanks for learning. If you like this video, please give a like to my channel and subscribe it.